Good morning, dear students. I will give answer the following from chapter 12. Name of the chapter 12 is the reproduction in plants. So last class I have given till here differentiate between the following, and today I will give find the odd one out given reasons. Fifth one, find odd one giving the reason. First one is the gamete, budding, fragmentation, regeneration. So first one is the gamete, is the odd one. Gamete, you have to make circle on the gamete. Then you have to write it is a sexual reproductive part. It is a sexual reproductive part. It is a sexual reproductive part. First one is the gamete. Second one is the cutting, grafting, layering, binary fusion. Binary fusion, it is a type of asexual reproduction. Binary fusion. It is a type of asexual reproduction. It is a type of asexual reproduction. Others are involved in the vegetative reproduction. Second one is the binary fusion. Third one is the ovary, stigma, style, pollen grain. Pollen grain is the male sex cell. Pollen grain. It is the male sex cell. It is the male sex cell. Others are the female reproductive part. Ovary, stigma, style is the female reproductive part, and pollen grain is the male sex cell. So this is the fifth one. Now come to the sixth one. Sixth, name the following. First one is the name the sixth one is the name the following. So first one is a part of the flower where ovule is found. Part of the flower where ovule is found, that is the ovary. First one is the ovary. First one is the ovary. And second one, three agents of pollination: insect, wind, water. Insect, wind, water. Insect, wind, water. The three where fertilization occurs in a flowering plant. The place where fertilization occurs in a flowering plant, that is the ovule. That is the ovule. So this is the sixth one. Name the following. Now come to the seventh question. Now come to the seventh one. Now come to the seventh. In seventh, first one, flower. Mention the functions of the following. Flower. What is the function of the flower? What is the function of the flower? It is a seat or organ of sexual reproduction. It is the seat or organ of sexual reproduction. Organ of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Second one is the anther. Second one is the anther. Anther is a solid structure present on the tip of the filament. The anther produces a powdery substance called pollen grain, and pollen grain contains the male sex cell or male gamete. So the anther produces a powdery substance. Anther produces powdery substance. Produces powdery substance. It's called pollen grains. Called pollen grains. Anther produces powdery substance called pollen grains. Pollen grains contain the male sex cells. Pollen grain contain male sex cell. Male sex cell. Third one is the ovary. Ovary contains many ovules and the female sex cell or gamete is present inside the ovule. Ovary contains many ovules. Ovary contains many ovules. Ovary contains many ovules. The female sex cell or gamete is the female sex cell or gamete is present inside the ovule. Present inside the ovule. Present inside the ovule. Now next one is the stigma. The powdery substances formed by anther is onto the stigma. The pollen grains germinate on stigma and pollen tubes develop. The pollen grains develop on stigma. The pollen grains germinate on stigma. The pollen grains germinate on stigma and pollen tubes develop. Stigma. Then seed dispersal. Fifth one is the seed dispersal. Seed dispersal. Seed dispersal helps plants to prevent overcrowding. Overcrowding. Second one is the avoid competition for water. Avoid competition water, avoid competition for water, mineral and sunlight. Water, mineral and sunlight. Water, mineral and sunlight. Spread to new habitats. Spread to new habitats. Spread to new habitats. Spread to new habitats. So till here, mention the functions of the following. Till here you have to write in your copy.